Are you tired of spending countless hours every single day responding to emails that never seem to end? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to let AI handle all of your incoming emails completely hands off so that you can focus on what really moves your business. But before we dive into the how to, let me quickly explain to you why. Well, think of all the repetitive questions your inbox is flooded with. What are your pricing options? How do I book a call with you? Can you send me more information about X? Handling these emails is a massive time sink, especially if you're the main person running your company. So we're going to be using a few different softwares: Make, OpenAI Assistant, 2 text documents with your knowledge base and your prompts. First thing first, you wanna go to make.com and create your account or sign in if you already have one. And then once you come to this page with my organization, you can go to the top right corner and create new scenario. So this is essentially where we're going to run the automation. And Make works that you have put up your applications as different modules, where every module is one action that is required, and this is going to be 100% automatic. So first things first, we're going to want to connect our email address to the automation. So you can go to email and then select watch email as triggers. So basically this is going to trigger when you receive a new email. So first things first, you're going to want to connect your email account to Make. And once you have connected your email address, you're going to see it here. And then you're going to go to folder and you can just select whichever folder you like. I'm going to select my inbox and criteria, all emails. So basically whenever we get a new email, sender address, you can leave this, we can leave all of this, and mark messages as read. You can decide. I'm going to have this no, just so that I can reread them myself. Then it's save. Run to stars, I'm going to select from now on, and then hit save again. And what we're going to do now is we're going to add a new module, and this is where we're going to connect our ChatGPT. So we can type in OpenAI, then message and assistant. We can hit add. Now we're going to connect our API keys and organization ID. If we open up platform.openai.com/playground, we're going to come into here, and we're going to start off by pressing this settings button, then go to API keys, and then we can create a new secret key. I'm going to name this YouTube tutorial. We can select a project. I'm going to select the automated email one that I've already created. I'm going to have all permissions and create a secret key. Then I can copy this, go back into my Make and paste in this API key. And if you need any help, you can always press this button. And once we've added our API key, we can go to general, and then we can just copy this organization ID, go back to Make and paste it in here and hit save. And now what we're going to want to do is that this is going to load, and we're going to get a pop-up here. So we have assistants, messages, and all of that stuff. If we go back and exit the settings, so basically go to playground, we can hit assistants, and then we can create a new assistant, and we're going to name this, give it a name, so just email assistant tutorial. We want to come back here, and we need to have a prompt. So I have my prompt here. So you're a personal assistant for Lowe. Yeah, you can read this if you want. All you need to do is just paste it into the system's instruction. And since we're sending an email, you need to type in this important output and format in HTML. We can select our model that we want here. I'm just going to choose 4O mini because yeah, this is a good one. And we also need to have a knowledge base. So I have my knowledge base here. So what we need to do is we need to hit archive and then download as a PDF file. And then we need to enable file search and upload a file that we're going to use for knowledge base. So I've added my file, hit attach. So now we have this as a vector storage. So basically base the answers using the knowledge base. This is the knowledge base. And then we can just try our assistant. So I can type in, what services do you offer? We run it, and we're going to see what services. So you can see here that it basically formats it in HTML. So AI chatbot, backend automation, lead generation, appointment, yada yada yada. And then you can see that it's done. We go back to our make. We can select our assistants right here. And we're going to select the one that we created. Role, user, message. We're going to go to watch email and we're going to select text content. So after we've entered the information in here, we can add another module, select the email again, and then just send an email to add a recipient. We're going to add the sender address from this module so that we send it back. Subject, we can add the same subject. Content height, HTML, very important. And then content, we're just going to add the result in here. Then if you want to add attachments like your signature or something, you can do that, but I'm just going to leave that empty for now, and then hit save. And now we're going to run it and see how it works. So I'm in my email and I'm going to send this email to myself. So basically what we can do is we're going to go to our email, hit send, then go back to make, run. See, you can see that it's working here. Now it sent an email. If we go to our inbox, we can see here, hello John, thank you for reaching out. I'm glad to hear that you're interested in your construction company. So here we can see best regards. So there we have it. I hope you guys like this quick tutorial. If you're interested, please feel free to join my free Discord community through the link in my video description. And if you're a business owner looking to just learn how you can use AI to streamline your operations and integrate to your business, I'm your guy, so please hit the first link in my description. So yeah, there we have it. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.